Good evening, traders. Welcome to today's Nifty post-market analysis. We had predicted a positive market in our morning update, and that's exactly how the day played out. Let's break down how today's price action beautifully aligned with our pre-market resistance and support zones. Let's get into quick recap of morning prediction. This morning, global cues were clearly positive. Up 1.42%. Asia strong at जोड़ 1.20%, Europe flat positive. And crude and USD INR both stable. Based on this, we had expected Nifty to open firm with a bullish bias, and that's exactly what happened. The index opened above our baseline and continued to trade in green throughout most of the session. Coming to Nifty price movement review, let's look at today's intraday behavior. Nifty started near 25,750, right around our morning support zone between S1, 25,737, and R1, 25,885. From there, it gave a strong upward momentum, crossing 25,900 in the first half, showing that buyers took clear control. Post-noon, the market consolidated just below the R2-R3 zone, 25,943-26,033, maintaining a strong upward bias. It held above all key supports for the entire session, a clear sign of strength. Nifty closed the day near 25,974, which is roughly 0.86% higher, validating our morning prediction of a positive day with upward potential. Coming to technical zone performance, now let's see how our resistance and support lines worked today. S1, 25,737, acted as a perfect morning launchpad. R1, 25,885, was tested and comfortably broken, confirming bullish continuation. The rally then paused just below R2, 25,943, and R3, 26,033, exactly within our predefined resistance cluster. That's textbook technical precision. The market respected the levels we marked earlier, both for entry and consolidation. So what the price action indicates? Today's move shows that buyers are regaining confidence after recent corrections. The fact that Nifty held above 25,900 despite intraday volatility means momentum could extend if global cues remain supportive. However, the consolidation near R2-R3 suggests some short-term resistance before a clean breakout toward 26,100 to 26,200 zones. So the key takeaway, bulls maintained control from open to close. Finally, summary or tomorrow's outlook. To summarize today's post-market analysis, our morning prediction of a positive market played out perfectly. Nifty respected S1 and R1-R3 zones beautifully. The index ended with strong gains of 0.86%. For tomorrow's session, keep an eye on 26,033 as the breakout zone and 25,900 as the key support base. If Nifty holds above that, we might see another leg up toward 26,100-26,200. That's all for today's Nifty post-market review. If our analysis matched your trading view, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for tomorrow's pre-market update.